Ho, ho, ho. Welcome to the 12th day of Christmas at the Smart Woodshop. Let's see what the 12th day of Christmas holds for us. A $10 million stick. This is from FastCap. So what is it and why would I consider this to be so important? The name to begin with, why is it $10 million? You know, I need to look that up, but my guess is that they were factoring in the cost of injuries when a person cuts their fingers on the miter saw. Come on over here to the miter saw and I'll show you how this works. On the miter saw, there's an area that you want to keep your hands outside of. In fact, on the Capex, they have these lines marked and a little emblem of a hand with the line through it, meaning don't put your hands inside of that. And this is something that's important because materials, particularly when you're working on little stuff, can jump up and your hand can get caught in the blade or be injured in other ways. So you want to come up with a way to hold the material close to the blade, because you working with small stuff, you don't want it flying off and giving you a bad cut. I'm set up here for a 1-inch cut, and I want to hold that piece down, but I definitely don't want my finger in there. Now I could hold from this side, but now that piece is floating free and it can get damaged and I want a clean cut. So by taking this, it's got 3 rubber feet, one on the end and one on either end. You can use it different ways. So you can put it over like this, and this gives a bite down on the table and on the piece of material. You can also use it this way depending on what kind of setup you want. I use it often like this, feeling it gives me a really good hold. And there I've made a 1-inch cut, clean all the way around, and it didn't jump up. I've made lots of different hold downs and tried them over the years and they work fine, but I got my hands on one of these. This one I've had quite a few years and it's just my go-to. The $10 million stick is $25. You'll find these in Ron's store at thesmartwoodshop.com, but I will provide a direct Amazon affiliate link in the description of this video down below. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the 12 days of Christmas and that you found something that'll be perfect for that woodworker, carpenter in your life. One more tool came up and I decided that I needed to include it because it was something that I use all the time, every day on every project, and I needed more, so I just ordered some and just got them today. So check back tomorrow for the 13th day of Christmas. Merry Christmas.